Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can enable picture-in-picture mode for any videos that are playing on your Google Chrome. The picture-in-picture mode or the PIP mode enables you to have a small window of the video that you are playing in your Google Chrome. So let's see how it's done. First, let us open our Google Chrome, and now here I have a random video that I want to play as picture-in-picture mode. So as you can see that this is a
Your
YouTube
attention,
video.
please.
Now I will try to enable the picture-in-picture mode for this particular YouTube video. To enable it, simply right click on the video. Make sure that you don't have to use any of these options. You need to use the browser's right click option. So try to make this window appear, which gives you these following options. Now from here you can see the picture-in-picture option. All you need to do is simply click on this option, and now you can see that your windows or your video has been enabled in picture-in-picture mode. Now you can minimize your Google Chrome and work with some any other application, or simply enjoy by clicking this play button,
We
and
interrupt this broadcast to bring you this urgent warning.
the video will continue to play like regular. Now, if you want to get exit from this picture-in-picture mode, simply click on the back to tab button. Once you click on it, you are back to the original tab, just like the default. So, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a really nice day.